Okay, so when we talk about this, for example, this is an important question. This is October, November 2013 paper. Okay, now it says approximately 4 gram of sodium hydroxide is 100 centimeter cube of water. Thermometer is used. The diagram shows the part of two thermometers. Readings completed. Table below. Calculate the change in temperature. Temperature after sodium hydroxide is added. This is after. Always read the question. Okay. So after it is approximate what? 28. And it is in what? Uh, okay. So it is 28 before 23. Difference subtract the two. Okay. Now what type of process does the temperature change suggest has been taking place? Right? Since what has happened? After it is added, the temperature has risen. So if you remember, an increase in temperature shows what? That it is an exothermic reaction. Exo, right? So similarly, a decrease in temp, if a decrease would have taken place, then it would be an endothermic reaction. Okay, so what is this? This is an exothermic reaction. Very important question expected to appear in the exams. Now coming to this part, the labeling. Okay, so it says that complete the energy profile for sodium hydroxide dissolving in water on the diagram, the products, the enthalpy change, etc. Okay, so since it's an exothermic reaction, enthalpy change is the difference between these two, where the products are made and where the initial input or the output. I call it like input output. So this is the diagram of enthalpy change should be denoted by this simple change in H, and this is the place where the products are made. Okay, if aqueous litmus is added to the aqueous sodium hydroxide, which color is the resulting solution? Okay. So what we use? We use two things. Yes, litmus paper, color change. So it would change to blue. Okay, how can the pH of aqueous sodium hydroxide can be determined? It can be determined by two things, I think so. pH paper or universal indicator. So suggest a value of pH of aqueous sodium hydroxide. Everyone knows that this is 12. Okay. This is an important question. So kindly focus on it. Yes, I know that it appears a long far behind paper, but you should attempt it. Best of luck for your exam.